Welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to show you the ways to make a Discord. So to do this procedure, you have to install the app. So go to your Play Store and open up your application. Then type in Discord on the search box and install it. Once it is installed, click the open button. And next thing what you want to do is click the register button at the bottom of the page. So to register for the Discord, you could either go with the email or a phone number. So select either one of it. Once done typing your information and click the next button. As soon as you do that, go ahead and set a username and click the next button. Once you've actually done it, so now set a password or create a one and click the next button. Now that you've actually done it, so you need to go ahead and verify your age. So for that, type in your date of birth, and once you've actually done it, so click the confirm button and click on create account. As soon as you do that, there will be some sort of confirmation. So click the confirm button and fill out the CAPTCHA. Once done filling out the CAPTCHA, you'll be asked to go ahead and customize your status or your profile. So do that, and once it is done, you'll be able to go to the home page, which is gonna look something like this. So now next thing what you want to do is go ahead and create a Discord server. So to create a server, click the plus icon at the bottom of the page. Here you could either go ahead and create your own, or you could go ahead and join others. So click on create my own, go ahead and select what is it for and give a name to it and click the create button. As you've done it, so you've successfully made your Discord account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.